Hey guys, welcome back. It's been a while. Um, been stuck in this house working from home. So I decided that I should finally put up my clock. Now, this is a clock that I bought on Amazon. I forgot the price, but I will put the link in the summary so you guys can download it to buy if you want to. The box came like this. It's a DIY, do it yourself. So I'm gonna get started. Open the package, take out the pressure defense blister. 2, a set of clock including these accessory. Use hammer, put seamless nail on the wall, hang on the clock. Seems pretty easy. Let's see if I can do it. You guys, your stuff should come with these foam numbers as well as the metallic shape. So what I'm gonna do is, give me a second. Okay, so you find the number with the matching foam. There should be a sticker in the back. Peel it off. Just give me 1 second. So I did peel off the back, and now I'm gonna place it on the foam number. There you go. And you're gonna repeat that with all the foam pieces. So I'll be right back, guys. All the metallic pieces are attached to the foam pieces. Take this seamless nail and use a hammer, and we're gonna put it onto the wall. Okay, it's in the wall. You hang it up like that. What I'm gonna do next is unscrew this so I can put the clock hands on. Clock hand on. I did put this dial on, and what I did do was go around my wall and mark the location where I'm going to hang the numbers. Guys, I apologize that I couldn't video while I was doing it, but I'll just go over the steps. First I took a hammer and I nailed down the nail into the wall, and I hung up the circular piece. And then I took the piece that comes with the box with the ruler, and I marked up with a pencil the spots for each digital position. And when I did that, I put it on the wall. I took this piece off. I plugged in the battery, and I plugged on the hands. And the last piece that I did was remove the foil covering over the numbers. And voila, you have it. I don't think I made anything uneven because of the ruler. And there's my clock.